Get excited about the 2012 Nissan Titan. This four-door, six-passenger truck has just over 15,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, skid plates, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.